Hello, my name is Vladimir. Today we are going to be doing gear reviews on Owner Velociraptor. We borrowed these from U.S. Army. Here we go. As you can see, we are now in Chernobyl. Let's check. It is 100% health. This is satisfied by gear review. Have a good day.